The new transmission for the RV should arrive tomorrow. Ooh. Ouch, but woo. So this is a matter of getting it in, changing the cooler, and flushing the lines and putting it all together. Test driving it. And there's a couple other things I'm going to do before we hit the road. Hit the road to where? Well, we're going north. North from here in Wilmar, Minnesota. And northwest, actually. We are going to go to Alaska. We've had a couple of job offers, and I can't think of a better time to go check things out than now. So we are headed northwest. I'm glad the transmission cropped out when it did, because I really don't need to be way out in Western Canada with a fucking smoke transmission. So that was good. So I'm going to take care of a few other things to prepare for this long journey that's coming up, and see where that brings us. So that's the big news I had for when we got to Minnesota. Hopefully we're rolling here by the end of the week and getting somewhere. So I will update as soon as possible. I'm sure I will have another video or two out before we hit the road. So stay tuned, I guess. Thanks for following along with this shit show. Limbo is almost over, and we should be cleared. Shouldn't be anything barring us from getting to our destination in Alaska now, except for time and distance. Should be quite an adventure. I'm anxious to tell you all about it. In the future, we'll have more about that. So that's all for now. I'm driving, as you can probably tell. That's it for now. Bye now. A story was requested. Someone wanted me to tell them a story, so here you go. One bright day in the middle of the night, two dead men got up to fight. Back to back, they faced each other, drew their swords, and shot each other. If you don't believe this tale is true, ask the blind man. He saw it too. I think he worked for the CIA myself. That's all for now. Bye.